Hello everyone and welcome back. For today's recipe, I am going to show you all how to make this healthy celery juice. This juice has so many benefits to it, such as that it prevents cancer, lowers cholesterol, lowers blood pressure, relieves constipation, fights inflammation, promotes hydration, relieves migraines, and so much more. Down below I will attach a link to the website that will describe more health benefits of drinking this juice. The ingredients needed to make this juice are 2 whole celery stalks, 1 medium-sized lemon, 2-inch sized piece of ginger, and 3 cups of water. Now what you want to do here is take your washed celery stalks and open it up and remove those celery leaves, as those will make your juice taste very bitter. You can leave those on the side for later if you want to eat them, since they are filled with so many vitamins. Next, roughly cut up the celery stalks into pieces, along with the ginger, and put them in the blender. Then, remove the skin and seeds from the lemon and put them in the blender. Lastly, add 3 cups of water and blend on high for 60 seconds. Now use a colander or cheesecloth and strain the juice very well. Your celery juice is now ready to serve. Make sure you drink this juice first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, 30 minutes before you eat, as it will help speed up your digestive system. Enjoy and thank you so much for watching. Hope you all will give this recipe a try. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.